Holy, welcome back everybody. Did Blackrock just open the floodgates for Bitcoin? I can't believe it. Check this out. In this video, this isn't even what I'm talking about. This is just Blackrock coming into Bitcoin and crypto right now. Stay tuned. There's more to come. Wow.
The whole foundation of what crypto is, it's supposed to be a distributed ledger that is across the system. I actually believe this technology is going to be very important. Look at it. We have been part of a huge revolution in investing through ETFs. We believe that ETFs will be changing the whole way we invest. Many people still use it as a means, oh, people are investing it for indexing. No, the majority of people who are putting money in an ETFs are active investors that are buying exposure. The entire bond market is being transformed as we talk right now. I believe the next generation for markets, the next generation for securities will be tokenization of securities. And if we can have that distributed ledger that we know every beneficial owner, every beneficial seller, we all have our code of who's buying, who's selling, instantaneous settlement. And think about it, it changes the whole ecosystem. You don't need trust banks.
Boom. You guys hear that? BlackRock. Why do you need a bank? Oh my God. I can't believe I'm saying that. BlackRock is saying these words, but I can't believe it's them saying it. So they're talking peer-to-peer, 24 hours, 7 days a week. Stock markets are going to be tokenized. Everything's going to run digitally, 24 hours, 7 days a week, right? Peer-to-peer. That's the future. He sees that. I've always thought that. It's going to happen one day. So they're in it to win it, people. And here, BlackRock gives bankrupt Bitcoin miner Core Scientific new $17 million loan. You know why? Because they hold what? The biggest share of it? So they hold 37.9 million of the miner secured convertible notes. They're in deep, people. There's going to be mining wars, Bitcoin mining wars. People are going to want to take advantage. It's like printing money, right? If you can find a good energy source that's cheap, reliable, and consistent, you got it made. It's like printing money. So these people are going to be all up in this business. BlackRock, think how much money they got. Wow. So they want to tokenize everything. They're seeing a future for that. They're already in the mining business. That's just like printing cash for them. And check this out. BlackRock adds Bitcoin to their 15 trillion global allocation fund. Trillions of money. Well, I'm just looking at, it says a dollar symbol here. Trillions of dollar symbol to flow the market. And I think they mean flood the market. But anyway. So American multinational investment management company BlackRock has allegedly added Bitcoin, the world's largest digital currency by market capitalization, to its global allocation fund. As the world's biggest investment firm with over 10 trillion in assets, wow, under management, as of January 2022. The Bitcoin addition to the firm's primary fund is considered a very bullish move for the crypto industry. No shit. So here's a tweet by the Wolf of Alt Street. BlackRock starts to add BTC to their own global allocation fund for passive investors. It's estimated that only 0.32% of their investment fund is enough to buy all Bitcoin kept on exchanges. Holy crap. He goes on to say, still want to short? No, man. I'm in it. Bitcoin has thrived over the years as the pioneering cryptocurrency, and since its inception about 14 years ago, it has notably gained the interest of institutional investors today. While the charge by Wall Street into Bitcoin can be attributed to MicroStrategy Incorporated, a business intelligence and software firm with over 132,500 Bitcoin units. BlackRock has also made some significant moves to solidify its growing interest in the nascent asset class and sector. Yeah, man. They want to tokenize everything. They're up in the mining. They're adding like things to their trust. Holy cow. As reported by CNF, the New York-based firm partnered with publicly traded exchange Coinbase Global Inc. back in August last year to offer institutional investors a direct avenue to invest in Bitcoin. The company has made some follow-up moves and launched a spot Bitcoin private trust for its high-profile clients shortly after the Coinbase deal. The addition of Bitcoin to its global allocation fund is considered a big game changer, as it implies the firm could invest directly into the premier cryptocurrency. Considering its last reported asset base, BlackRock will need just about 0.32% of the funds in its custody to scoop up all the Bitcoin available on exchanges. That's nuts. According to speculations by the crypto analyst, the Wolf of Alt Street, the total Bitcoin on all centralized exchanges is currently pegged at about 1.8 million. This figure is valued at around 31 billion when computed with the current price of BTC around 16,000. In his analysis, 32 billion is just around 0.32% of the 10 trillion in custody by BlackRock. So they can just scoop this up like nothing, people. For the past year, Bitcoin and the broader crypto ecosystem have been waiting for a significant fundamental push that may signal an end to the crypto winter. The push made by BlackRock to add Bitcoin to its global allocation fund is perhaps one of the most prominent bullish realities the industry is starting the year out with. Yeah, man, it's pretty big. While BlackRock is definitely going to be conservative with its allocations to Bitcoin, its investments in the coin are largely going to be very significant, and thus likely impact the coin's price growth. Yeah, I think so too. Over the course of the next few months, we are likely to see trillions of dollars flow into the market, as other big investment management companies might also choose to follow in the footsteps of BlackRock to go more bullish on Bitcoin. These events can fuel a run in the price of BTC, and a visible rub-off may be seen for altcoins as well. Let's hope so. Holy cow. This is going to be a crazy year, I think. Crazy year. All right, I don't know what to say. We're here. We're mainstream, and we're here. Hang on for the ride. Play hard. Trade smart.